International Women's Day is celebrated annually on March 8 to raise awareness about gender equality and women empowerment. So, International Women's Day is a global day that celebrates the social, economic, cultural, and political achievements of women. Each year, there's a theme associated with International Women's Day, and this year, too, a very beautiful theme with a deep meaning has been formulated for this special day. Now look at this particular message or thought. A challenged world is an alert world, and from challenge comes change. So this beautiful thought has been used to frame the theme for this year's International Women's Day, and the theme is Choose to Challenge. Now, International Women's Day is not something new. It has actually occurred for well over a century, with the first gathering held in 1911. And if you do not know, there are colors associated with International Women's Day, and these three colors are purple, green, and white. So purple signifies justice and dignity, green symbolizes hope, whereas white symbolizes or represents purity. So as we will be celebrating this special day on March 8, we have compiled certain beautiful messages and quotes that you can use to wish all the wonderful ladies around you to make their special day extra special. So let me begin and give you these messages and quotes and wishes that you can directly use to wish those special ladies around you. Despite failures, you stand up. Despite the pain, you keep fighting. Keep dreaming to fly higher, reaching new heights. The world needs more women like you. Happy to celebrate the woman you are. Women are the best leaders as they are born with the quality to manage. You are the woman I look up to because you're truly special and outstanding, and you have got everything to take the world in your stride. You can swim the deepest ocean and climb the highest peak. You can face adversity and still walk dauntless. You are strong, beautiful, compassionate, and much more than words could ever say. There is no denying that women play a special role in all walks of life, and for me, you have been a constant support and guide. Thank you for the lessons taught and the experiences shared. She is a dreamer, she is a believer, she is a doer, she is an achiever, and that she is you. She doesn't follow the crowd, rather she makes the crowd follow. Happy Women's Day. You are fierce, bold, and daring, also the best when it comes to caring. Being a woman itself is a superpower. Let's celebrate that. Happy Women's Day. Cheers to a woman who never stopped trying one more time. You taught me what endurance and hard work are. Life without you would have been impossible. This is the day to celebrate God's best and most beautiful creation. Happy Women's Day. A woman is so much more than just a human being. She has the power to create a life, to cope up with so much pain, and somehow always end up being the strongest one in the room. May the marvelous feminine energy cover our world with its warmth and greatness. Women are stronger than anyone can imagine. Let's celebrate their endless power today. Happy Women's Day. And the last message that I will be sharing with you today is: a beautiful woman draws strength from troubles, smiles during distress, and grows stronger with hope. Cheers to all the powerful women out there, you being one of them. Happy International Women's Day. So I shall wrap up the video here, and I'll sign off on a very short note. That is, women have deserved so much than just a day in a year. The power they have inside is enormous. So as we celebrate International Women's Day on March 8th, let this day be a reminder for every human being in the world to love and admire women and give them the much deserved respect. So for everyone watching this video, I convey my happy Women's Day wishes. Stay happy, stay healthy, and until next time, see you all soon. Take care. Bye bye.